Looks like we're getting a little Florida afternoon rainstorm. It's like 5:30. Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and I'm waiting on some palm fronds to fall off the trees. I think I see some palm fronds. For those palm fronds to fall, but so far no luck. Oh, what a mess. Looks like a palm frond. Maybe a couple there. Here's one of the rocks we did several months ago with my granddaughters. That's a video all about that. I think the other ones are down there. Quit raining. I'm going to go check these palm fronds out. There's one. Awfully dirty for the backyard. Just going to let them dry and then clean them off a little bit. So I've been doing a lot of painting. I've got some things over there that are drying, and I picked this one up the other day out of the backyard, and I could do one of three things. I could actually make a reindeer out of it. I could make a fish, I think this would be the tail. Or I could make a mermaid tail. Any suggestions? Here's a few I've already painted. See, that's what a fish would look like. That other one would be much bigger though. This one I think kind of looks like a squid or something. I'm actually getting ready for a craft fair that's coming up in a few weeks. The theme is going to be gifts from nature. Let me know down in the comment section below what I should paint next. A mermaid, a reindeer, or fish. Thanks for joining me, and y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.